Good morning. What day is it, guys?
It's cruise day.
Cruise day.
But not just any cruise day. This is a cruise day on an ill-fated ship.
Just sit right back and
No singing.
It'll be fixed.
Anyway, so they got in at 3 o'clock this morning because it's been having propulsion issues for the 4th time. And they told us, arrive at a regularly scheduled time, but we're going to leave late. So we'll bring that to you as we get on the ship, what time we actually leave. So, all right.
we're almost there.
6th day on the Carnival Vista, Amber Cove, Grand Turk, and
Half Moon.
Half Moon Cay.
Okay.
My favorite place.
It's Max's birthday celebration.
Right.
Yay!
His birthday.
Birthday!
I'm officially a cranky old man.
He's always been
So
officially.
finish this damn video.
It just,
He's been practicing for a while now.
it just went from a cranky old young guy to a cranky old middle-aged guy to a cranky old man, now a really old
Got a lot of
man.
practice.
All right, we'll see you on the ship. Or actually, I'll bring you the port before that.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, they did it. Bye. The Wonder. All right, there's your Vista.
It's okay, Sadie. It's okay, Sadie.
Your seashore, your MSC seashore, and way down yonder is the Wonder of the Seas. I'll bring it to you in a minute. Come on, Port Canaveral. Clean the place up, would you? Looks like a trash bin. Cups everywhere, boxes. Looks like a dump. Hi, RJ, Danny.
Hi, Danny.
Wish you were here.
Guess
where we're going?
Trevor shirt.
Oh, we're going on a cruise. Sorry. We'll see ya.
No
Hopefully
shot
soon.
today. No shot.
No shots. I'm here. I'm in
being
charge.
good. I'm being a good girl.
I'm never in charge, but whatever. We'll see you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Miss y'all. Going on a cruise. We are in the red seats. There she be. She ain't leaving for a while. All right, here we go. Looks like we're gonna be the first ones on, my love.
We're the first ones on so far.
We're on. These doors. Thank you. And there she is. First one on. First one's on.
First one's on, baby.
Huh? I don't know where RJ and Danny is. That's how far we're gonna walk. Oh. way back there.
It smells weird on here.
We're going, babe.
We're going. We just got on the ship. We're going to go get our mustard drill done. I think
D3
we're
in the
D3
restaurant.
In the restaurant.
All
In the
right.
very back.
We'll see you there.
Yes. Here we go. Come on.
All right, got done with the mustard drill. That took all of 2.5 seconds. We told them how to do it. All right, so now
We're relaxing now.
we're out by the Red Frog Pub, and it's time to start this vacation.
Cheers, baby.
It's been so long.
Great cruise.
See it well. And I was worried about him. Is he going to fit under that? But apparently it's an optical illusion, and he just made it. Oh, he didn't go under it. I get it. There's an escape route.
How many people it takes and how much land it takes and what all it takes to get.
Alrighty, it's about 4:40. Nobody is leaving, but a couple of lines still left on the MSC Seashore. The Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas just left. And we just felt a large vibration, but we're not supposed to leave yet because they had some issues with this ship. So we're gonna probably leave late, probably well into the dark time, I think. I'm not sure. So I'll bring that to you. All right, so here's the situation. This is the Vista. This is the 4th time it's had propulsion issues, but this time it's engine problem, not Azipod or any of that stuff. So while they were out last week, they canceled their 8-day cruise to the Southern Caribbean down to Aruba and Curacao, I believe they were going to, and then Grand Turk. They made that a Bahamas cruise. And then they ended up in Freeport, stayed overnight to try to fix the problem. And a protest broke out, which, I'm sorry, call me what you want, unsubscribe if you want, but this is no place for a protest. So,
Hey, you love me?
this is no place for a
me?
protest. This is no place for a protest. And so anyway, so then they made it back here, and then they sent us a letter saying that our itinerary wasn't changing, but we were gonna leave late today, but they'll make up the time. I guess that's if they get it fixed. So anyway, so we're on board, got on at about 10:30 this morning. It's now 4:45, and we're still sitting here, but again, we expect to be here until probably maybe dark, I don't know, to see what happens, and we'll bring that to you. So in the meantime, we're gonna have some fun anyway. And the problem is they keep charging us taxes. I hate taxes. I mean, I get it, we gotta pay taxes, but I hate paying taxes. We should have been gone already. All right, we'll bring it to you later. Moving on to the next thing. Bye. Wait, stop to the front, please. That guy. Where are we going, baby?
We're not going. We're here at dinner. We made it to our table, and here we are. It looks really, really nice. We got a window table.
Yeah, let me show you what the window table looks like.
It's very
Still sitting at the dock.
I like this table though.
She likes this table. We're not scheduled until maybe 3 a.m. in the morning. We'll be in bed.
Then I'll be at this table.
And the good part is, I can't lose no money in the casino. I can sit there and act like I'm playing, but
You can't win any either.
yeah, I can't win any either. All right, so I'll bring you the menu right about now. My first appetizer, roasted tomato soup, a half a bowl. Rose got roasted tomato soup. Max got.
Oh, I got 2 hot dogs. Ooh, doggy. I'm special.
That's just weird, right there. That's just weird. Rose. Yeah. Anyway, so I got soup. Terry got nothing. What you got?
I got the Cobb salad.
Cobb salad. That is excellent. That's what I got as my entree.
It's good.
Yummy, yummy. Not enough bacon, though. Right, my second appetizer, chicken rice soup. Southern chicken rice soup. What you got, Max?
Strip loin steak.
Strip loin steak. Rose?
I think I have a short rib.
That's the short rib, Rose. Let me help you with that.
Thank you.
Terry got?
Short rib. I got
Short rib. And I got a healthy salad. Take that, folks, with extra dressing. Wait till I get the healthy cheesecake. Rose?
I have the melting cake, Carnival melting.
Can you say that without choking?
I know.
Max, cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Terry, cheesecake. Me, cheesecake. Very popular dessert over here. All right, we are still sitting here. It is 8 o'clock at night. And we are still sitting at the pier watching a beautiful sunset. Doesn't get much redder than that. Projected leaving time, 3 a.m. Fixed or not.
Jesus, my mind, I'm leaving behind a heartache of love I bring. I've got me going. In the middle of dinner, it was a slap in the face. How quickly I was replaced, and now you're thinking of me when you. And hold me close. Sing your whispering song. Softly in my ear, and I will sing along. Lord, tell me how you love wrong too.
Here we are in the Red Frog Pub. It's about that time.
Almost night time.
Yeah, we've made no miles, 0.
No, we're still here at the port, but we're going to have our closing martini for the day. It's been a long day, but we're having fun.
Spilling.
Oh, I just spilled mine
She
on.
spilled.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's okay.
I still got a lot left.
Yep. So anyway, we're still sitting at the dock.
So
No shops, no casino. And we're going to still cheer because we're still on a cruise ship. We don't really care. Talk to you later. Tomorrow?
Oh, these are good.
It's supposed to be a sea day.
These are really good.
And these are good.
Very good.
All right.
We'll definitely be at sea somewhere tomorrow. Hopefully not working on a rowboat. We'll be here on the ship.
All right. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.